Everyone. Um, I wanted to do some market quick recap on market analysis on gold. You understand? So sorry, I want to use arrow to point everything down. You understand? So this is my arrow. So you follow this arrow. Anything I'm explaining right now. So good morning. So markets is already giving us some um this is the market. Let's go over from top down analysis. You understand? So market is trying to reject from point this 4135. Market is trying to reject from it. You understand? So it make one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, and five touch. If you can see it clearly, so we can we can see that market is trying to be bullying, be bearish right now. So we don't have to rush the market. So market is in bearish form. You can see from this last 2 weeks, market has been bearish. So that doesn't mean we cannot buy. That doesn't mean we cannot sell. So we just have to locate where we can perfectly buy the market and where we can perfectly sell the market. So we can just buy with just your hype. Okay, this thing have gone up too much. This thing have come down too much. So we just have to go back to lower time frame to see some details. You get. So since we think market is dropping from that point, so I went out to my 1 hour time frame. So you see, market is forming a ranging stuff. You understand? So market is still selling. So and it's trying to clear this liquidity right here. If the market is going to sell, it's trying to clear this trend line liquidity. It's trying to clear this trend line liquidity to respect the bullish form. You understand? Once the market clears this trend line liquidity, anything that happen here, I'm going to buy at this block. I'm going to buy at this block. Not going to buy at, not going to do anything right here. So I'm not going to do anything right here. So I'm going to buy at this block. So if this market break this 4075, so nothing I'm going to do. But if market respect it, give us the exponential candle. So I have to respect it. I have to buy the market from here. But if the market breaks, I have to continue selling till we get this to this point. So I already know the other flow of the market. So market is selling, acceptable. This is not the most important thing in trading. You understand? You have to know the current key level market is resisting from us, is supporting from. So this is the way the market is resisting from today. This is where the market is resisting from. It's resisting from this point. This is the one touch. This is two touch. This is the third touch. You understand? So if you buy the market from here, you are safe. But make sure you put a tight stop loss. So I go down to my lower time frame to find the change of character. You understand? This is a change of character right here. Market break. Market break below. You understand? Market break below here. This is not just a place that just find where my market break. You understand? This is a clearly a zone. You understand? A key level. You understand? You can't just pick any point. The market break and break above it and call it a market structure shift. You understand? So this is a clearly market structure shift right here. And market give us an inducement. This is an inducement, a form of trap that market will try to come. My market always push to inducement no matter what. So it's clearly that market is selling right now. So I have to buy. Just to, if I want to buy, I will buy towards this point that market is selling from. So everything. So you just have to understand the flow of the market. So I understand the flow of my, that's how I'm analyzing from my point of view. You understand? So this is going to buy. Let's say, let's go to like I used to have a lot of things. I used to use a lot of tools. So let me show you how I mark that place as my liquidity. See, this is the 10-minute time frame. So it's good to switch time frames. Don't just use one time frame. Switch many time frame within the lower time frame, within the higher time frame. But choose the one that is perfect for your trading. You understand? So this is one that is perfect for my trading. This is one that is perfect for my trading. So this market break this high right here. Break this high again. Break this high. You break this eye, this eye, this eye, this eye, this eye, this eye. That is why the market break the structure. We call it change of character. And immediately after the market change of character, it gives us a nice pullback. You see this? That is the wicks. This one is mostly wicks that comes after a break of structure, a double break of structure, or a market structure shift. So that is why this market make an inducement. You get, when the market make an inducement, see the other block that push the market is right here. You understand? That's why I put my buy at this point. You get, so risking just maybe 1% or just use maybe $2 to cash maybe $30. So if I want to go crazy, I can use 05, risking just $10 to make maybe $200. You understand? So but I'm not in a haste. I'm just trying to make something perfect. I have my target. I've already make my target from Monday to Tuesday. So I'm not just rushing. I have my targets. I have where I'm going through. So I don't have to rush things. So if I put 05 now, so if I lose that, I can get into the market and get emotional and keep finding the wrong thing in the market. So I just have to play the game wisely. So that's the reason why I'm putting a buy here. You understand? The reason why I'm putting a sell here, but this is the order flow of the market. This is just like a quick buy, you understand? And it can actually break this level because this level have already been tested like multiple times. Then the more the market tested it, the more the weak the zone becomes, you understand? So that's why I put my sell at the highest, like the highest. Or I'm not putting my sell here, I'm not putting my, but I know the market is going to respect this buy. Let's say 75%, but I'm not sure. Let's say 75% if you get. So don't forget, market is targeting this trend line liquidity. So I'm buying, market is respecting this trend line liquidity. It's not just like I'm buying from me, buying from anywhere. I'm buying from a typical zone that rejected the market. You get, so 100%. Don't worry.